Yoga Nidra, often referred to as yogic sleep, is a state of conscious relaxation that allows you to deeply relax and rejuvenate your body and mind. It's a practice that can help you release stress, tension, and promote inner peace. In this session, we will journey together into a state of profound relaxation and awareness. Find a quiet and comfortable place to lie down on your back with your arms and legs slightly apart. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths to settle into this present moment. Now, let's begin our exploration of the deeply restorative practice of Yoga Nidra. Take a moment to set your intention for this Yoga Nidra session. What do you wish to achieve or release today? It could be a specific intention like reducing stress, improving sleep, or simply finding a moment of tranquility. State your intention clearly in your mind as if it has already happened. For example, I am calm and at peace, or I am free from stress. We will now move our awareness through different parts of the body. As I mentioned, each body part, simply focus your attention there and experience any sensation without any judgment or effort. Begin with your thumb, second finger, third finger, fourth finger, fifth finger, palm, back of the hand, wrist, forearm, elbow, upper arm, shoulder, right side of the chest, waist, hip, thigh, knee, calf, ankle, heel, sole, right big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, fifth toe. Now shift your awareness to your left hand thumb, second finger, third finger, fourth finger, fifth finger, palm, back of the hand, wrist, forearm, elbow, upper arm, shoulder, left side of the chest, waist, hip, thigh, knee, calf, ankle, heel, sole, left big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, fifth toe. Shift your focus to your breath. Observe your natural breath without trying to change it. Feel the gentle rise and fall of your chest and abdomen as you breathe in and out. Notice the coolness of the inhale and the warmth of the exhale. Now, bring your attention to the sensation of cold. Imagine a cool breeze or cold water and feel the sensation of coolness on your body. Next, shift your awareness to the sensation of warmth. Imagine the warmth of the sun on your skin or a cozy blanket covering you. Feel the warmth spreading throughout your body. Take a moment to observe any thoughts or emotions that may arise. Notice them without attachment or judgment, just as passing clouds in the sky. Allow them to come and visualize yourself in a place where you feel completely relaxed and safe. It could be a serene beach, a lush forest, or any place that brings you peace. Immersing yourself fully in its beauty and tranquility. Repeat your intention or sankalp that you said earlier at the beginning of this practice. Say it to yourself 3 times with conviction. Take a moment to express gratitude for this time you have dedicated to yourself and your well being. Feel a sense of thankfulness for the experience you had during this Yoga Nidra session. Gently start to become aware of your breath again. Begin to deepen your breath, taking slow and deliberate inhalations and exhalations. Wiggle your finger and toes, gradually bringing momentum back. When you feel ready, slowly open your eyes. Take a moment to orient yourself to your surroundings, feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. Remember that Yoga Nidra is a practice of deep relaxation and self awareness. It's a tool you can use to release stress and promote inner peace whenever you need it. Carry the sense of calm and tranquility you have cultivated into your day. Thank you for joining me in this Yoga Nidra meditation.